What I buy from Costco as a naturopathic doctor, part 2. Earthbound Organic Spring Mix. Spring Mix is great because we can add it to basically any meal to bulk up our volume. Earth Farms Organic Brussels Sprouts. Brussels sprouts are great because they have high fiber and they also support estrogen clearance by the liver. Kirkland Organic Chicken Breasts. They have no added hormones, steroids, preservatives, or added salt. Wild Brine Raw Organic Sauerkraut. This is a great option if you don't want to take or supplement probiotics, and it's an easy way to get this into your diet. Chef Hacks Organic Chicken Meatballs. This is a great option if you're on the go, want more protein, but these also have minimal and clean ingredients. Harmless Harvest Coconut Water. This coconut water is sustainably sourced and it also only has one ingredient, coconuts. Good Culture Cottage Cheese. I love this brand. They have minimal ingredients, but it's also very high in protein. Kirkland Almond Butter. Almond butter is hard sometimes because there's a lot of added oils and sugars, but this only has one thing included in the ingredients, just almonds. Save this video for next time you go to Costco. Let me help you achieve a superior lifestyle and health without too much effort.